well, we had to call the fire department again. Stay tuned to find out what happened. Oh.
Hi.
You're taking a picture?
No, not a picture. It's a video. You seem so happy. So smiling. Alright. If you're looking for a decent breakfast at really good prices in Waco, Texas, we found this fun little diner called Kim's Diner. Last time we were here, fun atmosphere, good prices, and yeah, just real happy with the experience. So we're going back.
Yeah. Unfortunately, they were closed last Saturday, so
yeah, this probably would have been the third time otherwise.
Yeah.
All right. Well, off to breakfast.
Yay! One of the things that I really like about picking a spot and staying there for like a month and not just like a week is you get to find little things that you can come to over and over again. So it's kind of fun being excited about a place you've been to before that's not just like a chain. We got your basic breakfast and some biscuits and gravy. All right, how much is it?
So the total is $14.44 after tax.
I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. I mean, even with a nice tip, that's still under $20.
Yep.
So. Okay, so Josh found this place in Waco. It's called Jacob's Ladder. It's at Cameron Park. That's where we are, right? It's at Cameron Park, but it's this staircase.
Yeah.
So it's this staircase with over 100 steps, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to climb Jacob's Ladder. Let's see how this goes. It's actually a really nice park.
Yeah.
Well kept for sure. If you're looking to get your steps, you can have some pretty nice walks.
Yeah, it's long and narrow.
Yeah, the park, yeah.
The park itself is long and narrow, so
and it has a zoo. We drove past a zoo.
Yep. Maggie's got little legs. See, I walk faster than her. There she goes.
It's not little
Wait
legs.
for me, I got little legs.
Walk insanely fast.
The ADHD walk. It's not to be trifled with.
All right, we're coming up. We found the marker for Jacob's Ladder. Let's go check this out.
I just stumbled across this sign showing the trail system. There's actually a lot of trails here. It's pretty crazy. And Jacob's Ladder, what we're doing is all the way down here at the start. Because we came in off of, what's that? Herring? Or no, we came in off of University Parks, I think. And followed it along.
But you can see what we said earlier. It's a very narrow park. It's like they wanted to just keep the
it follows
land.
the river.
And
There's some spots where it goes deep, but yeah.
It's two different rivers. We're still at the Brazos.
Yeah, the Bosque feeds into the Brazos, I think.
Yeah, and Brazos goes off this way.
Yeah.
But I think that's really cool. Like, let's not build up a bunch of, development right on the river. Let's keep the river the river.
Yeah. I definitely appreciate public parks and where they definitely serve a really good purpose.
All right, I can see the ladder though. You ready?
Yeah? All right.
Yeah.
Here we go. Look at it. We got to climb this. I think there's no hiding the breathing on this video. There's going to be a lot of panning, especially if we record it while we're walking. Alright. Let the games begin. Ooh, it's a steep.
At the top?
I don't remember. This is steep.
Well, and uneven.
Nice. Oh my. This is really steep.
Josh, please don't die. Oh my gosh, this is like the equivalent of 2 steps.
Yeah.
That's how they get away with saying 100 steps. It's really 300.
They have a spot to take a break already.
Oh, those are my thighs.
I'm already out of breath.
Okay, in your defense though, those steps are steep.
I should have stretched.
Can you see? Look how tall.
It's like her knee.
Yeah. So the number is misleading on how many steps there are.
Very misleading.
You're bringing your leg all the way up to your knee.
This is how far we've come. They already have a spot notched out for a seat. Whew. Round 2.
Woo! I missed steps there.
Oh, careful. Missing some of the guardrail.
Oh.
Whew. And another resting spot. Keep going. I think we're almost at the top. There ain't nobody running up these steps.
Woo.
Yes, it is. But we did it. We did it.
We did do it.
That was a lot of work.
That was.
We're gonna regain our breath.
Yeah.
Alright. We've regained. Okay. I'll reset. We've gone on a nap.
That's okay.
We've regained a bit of our composure.
Yeah.
Still a little out of breath. If you're looking for something to get the heart going.
It's the fact that the steps are
so steep.
They're so tall, and not all of them are tall. So if you have to be watching the stairs.
Yeah.
Because 1 minute you have to lift your leg.
Yeah, I think recording while going up it made it
harder.
Worse and harder. Yeah.
But one step you're lifting your foot as high as your knee, and the next time it's like a regular step.
Yeah.
So.
And they're uneven. So one side of the step you're lifting up, up to. Halfway up your shin, and the other side it is at least at your knee. Oh well, I was going the other way.
Oh,
like there were several where I walked up where it was like almost knee height, like it was halfway up your shin at least, and then on the other side it was.
But I thought there might be like a view, but it's just sort of like regular park view.
Yeah, so I'll turn it around here. So this is the entrance
or exit, depending on which way.
Exit. Yeah, if you're going down, entrance. Chances are you're coming up it, but
behind us is
I'll sort of pan to the left here. There's a house kind of up here. Looks like a little pavilion for lunches and such. Events, like Maggie said.
Pretty typical park view.
Yeah.
Which is nice. I just thought it was going to be like an overview.
Yeah. Well, there might still be one. We haven't explored yet. We just regained our breath.
It goes that way, so we'll try that.
Looks like a split going around something here. A bird bath. Fountain, yeah. It's not active right now. I don't know if it's been active.
You can see the river through the trees.
Yeah.
But it's definitely not an overlook.
Yeah. Looks like some, I don't know, maybe some biking trails. Go see, what was it called? Miss Nellie's? Miss Nellie's.
Miss Nellie's pretty place?
Is that really?
What the sign looks like it says.
Oh, really?
But it came up a lot when I was searching this park.
Yeah.
This is really pretty. So it's probably named well.
Well, there's a little fountain over there.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Look, it is. It's Miss Nellie's pretty place.
All right.
Oh yeah, look at that fountain. That's fun. Oh, I wonder if this is still covered.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a sign over there.
Pretty path.
Miss Nellie's Pretty Place. I think it's the whole thing.
Okay, you want to walk around for a bit?
Sure.
Very meadowy.
Oh, getting some of the, I think these are the bluebonnets. Just starting. Zoom in on some of the bluebonnets.
I wish we could like share the smell because it smells super floral.
Yeah.
Just really sweet.
Very
Do you think it's
making me remember that I didn't take my allergy pills today. So this, you might hear some sneezing later.
I don't think these pictures are gonna do justice of how pretty it's just sort of, it's like,
Yeah, very.
it sort of looks like a wild meadow field.
Well, we haven't seen it today, but if campgrounds are any indication, a lot of people tend not to follow rules. But please follow the rules.
Yeah, don't be a butt. These berries are cool.
Don't eat the memberries.
I'm not. No.
I wonder what kind of berries they are.
There's a bunch more in there.
According to Google, the berries that we were just looking at, the plant that we're looking at is called a Nandina domestica, and it's commonly known as heavenly bamboo or sacred bamboo. Despite its name, it's not a true bamboo, but rather a woody evergreen shrub.
Oh.
Apparently, the bright red berries produced by this plant contain cyanogenic compounds and are highly toxic to birds, particularly cedar waxwings, and can be fatal to pets and humans if ingested in large quantities.
And
So, just goes to show you, the pretty ones can be deadly.
I'm sure the bluebells will just, like, this is just the beginning, and
Oh, yeah.
is probably just full of them. They're very pretty.
It does make me a little sad that we're not staying longer, but we can't. We got a time crunch.
I bet this field is full of them.
It's interesting because, you know, with how big Texas is, one region is in one state or stage of a natural life cycle, whereas the other part of, you know, you go more south or even more west, and you're just in a completely different state of nature.
Well, and I think in addition to like distance, like pure miles,
Yeah.
causing a difference in like climate,
Yeah.
then the different geography too.
Yeah, like the elevation and stuff. Yeah.
Or like being
Closer to the
coast, or
yeah.
It just has a lot.
So the problem with steep steps is even going down, bit of a challenge.
Well, and again, it goes back to that they're all different sizes.
Yep. So you gotta be watching the steps and, you know, maybe not recording a video like I am while going down it.
Mom, if you're watching this right now, just skip ahead.
Yeah. Well, I mean, she could watch the video. She'll already know, you know, 911.
No,
Oh.
It would make her dizzy.
Oh. All right.
Not like
It's really scenic, though.
it is.
Woo!
Whoa, Joshua.
That was deep.
Well, yeah, you just had a bunch of little ones.
That was another deep one. All right. Well, coming down was a challenge, but my heart is not racing nearly as much as
No,
going.
well, you had to go super slow. Like your depth perception, you couldn't always tell how deep the step was, and whew, it is on your knees. So going up,
Yeah, the
your
impact.
legs, your thighs are burning, but going down, your knees are getting all the
be
impact.
careful of the impact. If you have trouble with your knees, this is not the
No,
challenge for you.
or just stick with going up and go the other way to get.
But
back
even
to
then, I would be careful because if you have trouble lifting your leg high enough,
that's more
um,
hip though.
I would say find a bench.
I would imagine someone
I'd
with
say
hip
find-
or joint problems would just be
Just
avoiding
avoiding
this.
this, yeah.
in
Just
general.
say, otherwise,
But
find a bench,
still,
put your foot up on it, and
Jacob's
that'll
ladder.
get you up there.
It is fun. I see why it's a thing.
Let's flip it around.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. It's fun and it's pretty, and shorter than I thought. I thought this would take longer, but yeah. If this is all you want to do, you know, you could probably fit it in 1.5 hour.
Yeah.
Maybe an hour if you wanted to walk around
Well,
and really
it depends
take in
how
the
much
scenery.
walk you're doing.
But I think it would take multiple days to walk all of the trails in Cameron Park. Yeah, but it's fun. Worth it.
Next
adventure. All right, where are we at now?
We are at the Texas Ranger Hall of Fame and Museum. It's not just about Chuck Norris.
Aww. They need to hire someone to come out and fix the flag. It's wrapped. Hi there.
Oh, 6 Flags over Texas.
The U.S. is so big, it kind of twists.
I like, the ones that have the carving?
Yeah. Those are like that. That's a bone. I'm pretty
I
sure.
was gonna ask if it was ivory, then I'd be less enthusiastic, but...
It's either bone or ivory, yeah. But like steel, like I mean, you got to think about where they're coming from. It's American. I don't really think there's been like.
Okay.
So it's gonna be like cow horns
So very
and
likely
stuff.
they used all the other parts of the animal.
Yeah. So the main thing with a lot of the stuff that we talk about, again, like we say at the bottom of all of our videos, we're not experts. So if I'm wrong about anything, let me know in the comments. I love to learn.
They'll let us know whether we
Yeah,
ask
let
for
us
it
know
or
whether we
not.
ask for it or not. But I love learning. Just be nice about it. That's all. One of the things I saw here that I thought was really cool that you don't see too much, at least not anymore, is I believe that is a pump action rifle. It's a 30-06 caliber. Mm-hmm. They're more commonly in your shotguns, not usually in. They're not. You don't usually find them in a rifle. But it's really cool. Yeah, like that one, the third one down, that one's a shotgun. It's a 12-gauge shotgun.
Okay.
Well, I don't recommend doing this, but one of the things with those actions, if you're fast enough on the action while holding the trigger, you can just keep going. Highly inaccurate, not safe. That's my little caveat there.
You have fun.
Well, not speaking, I'm not going to admit to speaking from experience, but it does look fun.
Colt's repeating pistols or repeating pistol Colts?
So Colt is a brand,
Oh, okay.
a manufacturer. In fact, I believe Colt 45 is that's pretty infamous.
Oh, okay. Well, they've got some real ones here.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's so heavy.
Yep.
Do you hold it like this?
Usually it's one-handed.
No.
Because the barrel's gonna get hot, you'll burn yourself.
Oh. That one's heavy too.
Yep. 4 pounds. Now you know why they can't aim in all them Western movies. They can't hold the gun straight. Oh, you gonna try and get me? See if I'm weak.
Hey, I'm not weak. It's just a surprise.
I mean, it's definitely heavy. My dad's got a couple that are pretty heavy. And you can't pull it out any further, but yeah, you hold out your arm's length and bang.
I feel like what is that muscle right here? Forearm?
Is this the forearm? Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
like
so.
my forearm. You'd have to like really build your forearms. Oh, this one says holding and aiming a pistol at this weight is the same as a 2-liter soda bottle.
But with these old ones, these were single action, so you had to pull back every time, and that would turn the barrel, putting a new shell in line with the barrel.
You had to put a
and
new
ready,
shell
and
in
ready,
with
and ready
every
to
shell.
fire. They hold 5 or 6 depending on the cylinder. This one's a cool one because revolvers are really hard or can be hard to reload. So what they do is you could have they have speed loaders for the ones where the cylinder just kind of flips out. But these old ones, they would carry around extra cylinders and just have them loaded, and you could just put the cylinder in. Load up to 6. I think I've heard of some that go up to 8, depending on how big they are. But yeah, and then to get a new round in, you had to pull it back every time to make it ready to shoot.
Jeez. You broke it.
Well, there's a pin. Pull out.
Here's the directions.
Yeah. So
You pull the pin
it's
out.
assembled. You pull the pin out. Your barrel comes off for cleaning. Then the cylinder slides out, and I think that's it. I think it's disassembled.
So many guns. I don't know what I was expecting.
Yeah.
It makes sense, obviously.
Right.
It's a huge part of the Rangers.
Well, I mean, the Rangers, like it said before, like they started out. That was the Texas State Militia. That was their military.
Yeah, protecting them.
And now, in this modern part, they're the Department of Public Safety, largely. Well, I guess I should say they're pretty much they're law enforcement now. And a little bit more representation. Women.
And
Hispanic. I think I kind of like this series. Just put Maggie in front of a camera and then ask her, what are we doing today? All right.
We're at Mayborn Museum. It was a suggestion we saw when we were at the Mammoth National Memorial?
Monument, I think.
I can't remember what. But natural history, and so
Yeah.
we're going to go check that out.
And we saw on a little piece of paper that they're affiliated, right, with the Smithsonian?
Oh yeah, there's some connection.
Yeah.
So, but I'm a huge
Oh, it's on the bottom of their banner up there.
Oh, there you go, everyone. But I love the natural history museum.
Yeah.
So, ready?
Yeah.
All right. So first floor. It looks like we can kind of just like go around.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
We'll go this way.
Yeah. We got a big old dino. Oh. Oh, wow. I'm not surprised it's Big Ben.
Oh, it said, did he hunt in Texas? Maybe. I still don't understand why that's highlighted.
Which might be from Oh, wait. Age sediments.
They found a sediment on the fossil.
Oh. So, I mean, this looked like a replica, so that makes sense. I think it'll be fun. Alright. Here's a little did you know. And then,
Can you find him?
let's see. I'll zoom out a little bit. Can you find him?
I don't know. I know where he is, and I have a hard time seeing. I think you need
Alright.
to do like pan
So, I'm going to start over here and pan the whole thing. And then back out.
I did see him in the footage when you did that, so he is there.
He's there. And okay, I'm gonna hold it here. You can pause it. But next, I'm gonna show you where he is. Can you see him? Behind all the fingerprints?
Looks like a rock.
Looks like a rock. Marriage license. You wanna go to church? Maggie,
Yes.
I smell something funny.
Pew.
Pew. No, you don't like my dad jokes? Commissary. I think if I ever did like a general store, I'd want something set up like this. Just old timey.
Where would this thrive, though?
I don't know.
This is.
I feel like a lot of people would get a kick out of it. Just have a coffee shop like this or something.
Mm.
Well, this is definitely an old Western store because you got your cloth and you got clothes, boots, shoes. I mean, you got goodies behind the counter, glasses, little spectacles,
And some hair pieces.
some hair stuff, fan. I mean, you're just a little bit of everything. A little bit of smoking paraphernalia, a little pipe, a mustache or shaving. Yeah, bin. Well, there's bins here. Like you could get,
Flour.
yeah, beans.
Oh, beans.
Some more candy and stuff. Maggie would have been here, teaching all the little children. Old school chalkboard. Got the wood stove for the wintertime. What do we got? Barn and a smithy. So barn and blacksmith? I don't see very many blacksmithing things.
I think it's the best. Oh, maybe it's on the other. Maybe it's on the other side. There you go. Veranda.
Going old school. Anvil on a log. So, there were a bunch of kids here before. But there isn't now, but my inner child wants to see the tornado without the kids. Look at how...
That's cool.
That's crazy. Very cool. But the real thing is really scary. Welcome to my Cabinets of Curiosity. My name is J.K. Strucker, and my fellow scientists and I collected these various objects throughout the years. So it's just a collection of things. That's pretty cool. Oh, jeez.
You're okay. Oh, you're just so happy, aren't you?
What do you think it was? An ostrich?
Or an emu.
Oh, there's a little...
He's not scary. It's not even anything. It's a skunk. It's a skunk.
That's kind of cool. Seeing how big it is. Where's its...
So, Maggie, I think they're getting bigger, like they're adapting really quickly, but I'm pretty sure that's a coyote. That's funny. Here. But.
We're leaving the Mayborn Museum. I will say I guess we didn't do enough research. I saw natural history and I was like, oh, I love natural history. It's definitely family museum, which nothing wrong with that. But it's you go in and it's all like a ton of interactive stuff. It was definitely geared towards not just family, but I would say even like young family,
kids,
you know, like
there's even
preschoolers.
A lot of hands-on,
Yeah.
little things. It's very cool.
I
would have enjoyed it as a little kid for sure.
Oh yeah, the kids definitely a big hit. But I will say there were parts that were definitely geared towards more the kids, and then that like, I guess that other side, the one that we did at the end, was more traditional museum,
learning more about things.
So,
cool stuff.
But yeah, so if you are planning to come in and you have a family, yes, Mayborn is definitely a place. If you're a childless couple or an older couple and you're with grown kids, you might be okay with skipping this, I would say.
Yeah, it depends on your love of natural history. There is some stuff in there about the mammoths. There's some stuff in there.
But you might learn more about the mammoth at the Mammoth Memorial, you know?
Yeah, but if you want to do both, I don't know.
Yeah.
It wasn't too terribly expensive.
No, I think it was reasonable.
Yeah.
But
there's a whole section about like I think human history that wasn't. It's closed off. They're remodeling.
But anyways, so yeah, I think knowing the family part is just the only deciding factor on whether or not you want to go.
Right.
So,
yeah. There's a lot of it that's geared very much towards family, and we did not do the second floor. That's where a lot more of the
even more hands-on. I would say.
Hands-on. It sounded like how machines work and stuff like that. Just so a little bit less natural science and more science.
Science.
Yeah.
So we're leaving Mayborn Museum, and it's about 5:00. So most of the museums and stuff are closing. So we're gonna head back to the park because that doesn't have the same closing time, and we just want to see a little more after seeing Jacob's Ladder. So we want to go see a couple other spots. Maybe just drive through the park a little bit. It looks like it was a very car-friendly park. So we're gonna head back.
Hey, Megan. Where are we at today? Where are we at now?
We are at an overview called Lover's Leap. So let's see where it got its name.
All right. Look down, you can see the river. Kind of. Yeah, I would be walking out there.
I need to keep the shrubbery trimmed so I can see.
Shrubbery? More river. I want to see an alligator.
I don't think we'll see alligators this high up.
Well, if we go to Florida next winter, I better see a dang alligator. We're going to the Everglades.
God.
What do I see over here?
Oh, that's funny. Now we can look the
See
other
more of the river.
I think this is no longer the Brazos.
Yeah, no, we're up to the Bosque.
A little while back, we shared that our carbon monoxide alarm had gone off and the fire department came out, but found no danger. So we chalked it up to a false alarm and moved on. Well, it happened again, but this time our backup carbon monoxide detector that we had set up also went off. So we got ourselves and the dogs out of the camper immediately and called the fire department again. Some of the firefighters remembered us from the last time we called. But this time, they did find a carbon monoxide reading in the camper. So the firefighters took their time and investigated, trying to find the source of the carbon monoxide.
The firefighters just left. We think that, look at me, I just took a shower, so we think it might be the wind. Unfortunately, there's no way to confirm anything, but our hot water heater is, I don't know how, it's back here, and the wind is blowing right on it, so we think that maybe the wind was blowing things that it shouldn't into the camper. So we're gonna have to make sure that our CO monitor is still, our alarm is still working, and check on it every once in a while, and just hope that it was the wind, because if it was the wind, that's something we can sort of control. So anyways, we're stuck outside for probably another 10 minutes. The dog's happy. He's all tangled up. I gotta go fix him. All right, good night, guys.
Well, that's all for this outing. It is our last outing in Waco.
Yeah.
Sort of bittersweet, I guess.
Yeah.
No, well, I guess it's the right term.
Yeah, we're hitting the road.
We're sad about leaving, but we're excited about our next adventure.
Yeah, we're hitting the road next weekend, so comment below if you have any guesses where we're going.
Yeah, and if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. It lets us know whether we're on the right track, or we should change things up a bit.
And you can also hit the subscribe button below, and if you hit that bell, then it will give you notifications of when our next videos come out.
Bye.